the Prosperity Group, community comes first. As you embark on your real estate journey, rest assured that we're more than a successful real estate team. We're passionate advocates for a better world. At the Prosperity Group, we're driven by meaningful gestures that transcend the ordinary. Our commitment to sustainability and positive impact has reshaped the concept of closing gifts. Instead of contributing to landfills with forgettable items, our clients embrace a more profound tradition. At the close of every sale, our clients have the opportunity to choose a tree to plant in celebration of this special moment on their journey to financial freedom, a living symbol of growth and renewal. As an added touch, a second tree is gifted in their chosen name to contribute to reforestation efforts, the essential process of restoring and revitalizing our forest, vital for biodiversity and combating climate change. This practice embodies our dedication to a greener planet and speaks volumes to our values. Every transaction becomes an opportunity to make a lasting mark within real estate and beyond. By choosing the Prosperity Group, you're not just investing in property, you're becoming a part of a movement that's changing the world one tree at a time.